all she wants is Mr. Dinner. That little goddess that beautiful goddess. That crazy beautiful goddess. That crazy beautiful goddess. She had too much to drink. I was probably high as hell off the marijuana. Oh, she wanted that dinner. She had too much Jack Daniels and too much whiskey. All she wants is Mr. Dinner in the bedroom or in the basement. All she wants is Mr. Dinner. All she wants is Mr. Dinner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Play with the guitar strings, play with the guitar strings. All she wants is Mr. Dinner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All she wants is Mr. Dinner. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? I guess I have to stem my tab a little bit. Cost me $10 at the bar. I guess that's a cheap date, but I don't care. All she wants is Mr. Nanoing, and she doesn't cost that much. She doesn't cost that much. She wasn't that expensive for me. Oh, she cost me $10 off the credit card, yeah, yeah, 3505. All she cost is with Mr. Dinner. I walked the house for the giant with the song. With that beautiful sex glass, all she wanted was Mr. Dinner. All she wanted was Mr. Dinner. All she wanted was Mr. Dinner. All she wanted was what? Mr. Dinner. Yeah, and now you can say that on the radio. If some shady got away with it, I can probably get away with it too. All you want was Mr. Dinner. All you want was Mr. Dinner. All she wanted was Mr. Dinner. Who I come with the bondo drums. All she wanted was Mr. Dinner. Yeah. Mr. Dinner. Oh, she wanted was Mr. Dinner, that crazy goddess. Yeah. All she wanted was Mr. Dinner.